Hello everyone, my name is Tomoya Takenaka. Today I would like to demonstrate how to save your smartphone battery. Everyone uses a phone every day, so this is very useful and very easy. There are 6 simple steps to save your battery. Let's look at them together. The first step 1. Lower your screen brightness, save energy intensity. A very bright screen uses a lot of battery power, and lowering it makes a big difference. Step 2. Close unused apps. Stop background drain. Many apps work even when you are not using them. Closing them saves energy. Step 3. Turn on power saving mode. Optimize your system. This mode automatically changes settings to keep your battery last longer. It is very easy to use. Step 4. Turn on location service. Protect your privacy. Some apps track your location all the time. Turning this off service power and protect you. Step 5. Turn off Wi-Fi when you are outside. When not in use, if Wi-Fi is on, your phone keeps searching for a connection. This wastes your battery. Step 6. Use airplane mode for extreme saving. If you have very little battery and need to save it for later, this is the best way. Important warnings: be careful to check your setting regularly. You might forget you turned this off. Don't forget that some apps need location service to work properly, like map apps. Remember to turn these features back on when you are home or in a safe place. In conclusion, these simple steps will help your phone last much longer. Try this tonight. Thank you for listening.